Yeah, dog. What's up, Hallway Gang? It's your boy B Hall coming back at you again. I'm at Tops and Bottoms in Lansing, Illinois for Bag Talk's car show. If you don't know who Bag Talk is, do your research. He got that stuff. That stuff. But anyway, I'm at the car show. I know I said the last car show was the last one, but this is the last one. I promise it's the last one of the season. Unless it's another one, but I promise. But yeah, I'm at Bag Talks car show. It's a lot of old schools out here, a lot of new schools, but I'm at the car show. It's in Lansing, Illinois. You know, it's cold right here. Flipping, yeah. God, no. Track code be giving away. here. Landau. Poodle. Gorgeous steering wheel. Money. Big boy. Inside clean too. Sheesh. Putty. Got the cutlass cream right here. Peace. Look at that. Make no sense. Ooh-wee. Sitting up pretty. What's going on, man? Man, snapping out here. Snapping.
Yeah, you picked the right spot.
Got the vet right here. Oh. Cold. Gorgeous. That's crazy. Backwards.
Remember the old sunroof that flip up?
It's priest.
Well, small. Yeah. Fuck up the whole car, put that shit on there, bro. I'm like, God damn, man. Yeah. Nah, it was probably like that. But even then, they heard it. Well, 2,000. I'll say 2,000. Got the bread.
They coming. Whee. Look at that. Lips. Big lips. Big lips. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you.
Is it okay if I take video?
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Look at this. Yeah, yeah, dog. Man. Hey. He snapped. God, dog. Anyway, back to these cars. God, dog. Got that SS Impala. Oh, wait. Bubble. See that? Man, what? Lips. God, dog. Big lips. Oh, man, I gotta get my Roadmaster back, man. Jeez. They killing me out here. They killing me. I gotta get my Roadmaster back. God, dog. They're killing me. Ooh-wee. They killing me. They killing me. There's a Riviera over here. The Rivi. God, dog. Well, clean too. God, dog. Ooh-wee. Eesh. Nasty. Nasty. Ooh-wee. Blacked out. Okay. Look at this. Priest. SS. God, dog. Pipes. Them pipes. Big pipes. Loud pipes, big rims. Ooh-wee.
Shit, work in progress. Just started building them.
This was cold.
I wrestled with bringing this on my red eye. He making me mad with that yellow thing on the front. Yeah, like, take that off. Yeah, take that off, man. He must have just got here.
Yeah, ain't no rims on it or nothing. I'm mad. I sold my O's. I sold my Roadmaster, man. I should never did that. Listen to my damn wife, man.
I'm working on the Impala too. My Impala just wasn't ready, so I started building on this.
Okay.
I got a 96 Impala SS that I'm building. All black. He pretty much done. I'm having trouble with getting that harmonic balance wheel on.
Okay. Yeah.
He the one super custom out though.
Yeah.
I just played with it a little bit, you know. Got all that chrome off of there and whited it out, you know.
Right. Got the low riders out here. All right, bro.
Alright, bro.
Yep. The low riders out here. Look at this. Say built different. Ooh-wee. Look at that. Come on. D's. On them D's. Look at that. Grand Prix up in here. Look at the steering wheel. Low riders. Let's go. Paint job on this boy. Sheesh. Trunk. Got switches on here. Ooh-wee. And the bang in there. Man, this is...
always had the details.
Yeah, what's up, Bag?
What's happening? How you feeling, bro? Y'all
Good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that
Something different.
you got the best Chevy in the world, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it. Yeah, gotta appreciate all the details.
For real. See, look. Ooh-wee. There's 4 switches on here. Look at this. Look at this. Big boy. But it's a low rider. Switches up in there. Look at that. Slow and low. You ain't lying, bro. You is not lying. Look at this. Sheesh. That. Look at the trunk. You gotta really look in. You see the graphic in there. Ooh. Mayan pyramid. Snap. This Impala. God, dog. Ooh-wee.
I just never got to do it. I know.
Low. Inside, got the toy car just like it too in there. I see that toy car in there, just like it. Dang. Look at how little them rims is. Big boy. Little rims. You got this Impala. God, dog. Candy red. Look at that. Candy red. Wee.
A few people that been in this club said that are
Look at that.
you gotta realize he's putting all this stuff. Put a show and look where it's at. Every year.
Wee.
Hey.
800 entries.
Yeah, but then he started
Tight. We got the money. Snap with them gold D's on this boy. Sheesh. Landau. Look how low this is. Look how low it is. With a deck full of switches up in there. Y'all see that? Man. Snap. Sheesh. Wee. Damn, look at this boy here. Look at this Jeep. Look, this. Damn. Look at these big tires. This is huge. God, dog. Look at this. Detail like a mug. Look at that. This is ridiculous. My nigga. Oh, dog. This boy. Man. Details like a mug. What the hell? Freaky Jeepy. Look at this. Look at this truck. God, dog. Look at this truck. Sheesh. Ooh-wee. God, dog. Jeez. Oh, did he raising it? Look at this. Whew. Woo. Man.
He sent it in L. I know what it was in it.
Yeah, it be all smiles and grins. So my son, I'm like, next year, we don't mind.
Look at that. Look at this. This is crazy. Interiors. I ain't playing up here. Woo-wee. Paint. I ain't playing up here. It is not playing. Look at this Benzo. Get it. Lights PlayStation. Get it. Blacked out in there. You can't see this. Oreo like a mug. Yeah, man. I gotta get my stuff together. Man, nice show, good show. Brought the street from my house. Had to come support. Man, it's snap, man, but here come these. Ooh, wait. Cats. Cats out here, but man, like I said, man, that's all I got for y'all, man. Checking out from the Hallway Gang. It's your boy B Hall. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace.